What up, everyone? I'm Rich Mays Lopez.
I'm Brendan Dunn, newsletter at Soul Collector.
I'm Matt Welty, editor of Complex Sneakers.
And this is a very special edition of Full Size Run Show with a very special guest with us today. Tell the people who you are.
Yeah, I'm Rashid Belhassa, aka Money Kicks.
AKA Money Kicks is in the building today. Infamous YouTuber, infamous on Instagram, infamous in sneaker culture. We're about to figure out just why you're that big.
How big are we talking? How many YouTube subscribers do you have?
I have 1.1 in 2 years. Yeah.
1.1 million.
Yeah.
In 2 years?
Yeah.
Wow. And an IG?
And IG 1 mil.
So you're like 2 million strong right here.
Yeah.
So let's take it from the beginning, right? You're originally from Dubai. Tell us a little bit about that, about your upbringing in Dubai.
Like I did a lot of videos about Dubai and it helped me a lot. Like, you know, everybody wants to know what's about
So that's
Dubai.
how you started, just exploring Dubai.
Like we have a farm and I started my YouTube channel, like bringing the people in my sneaker room.
Were you into sneakers before your first YouTube video?
My friend gave me a Chicago one, if you guys remember, the retro that they released like 2015, I think. So I wanted to know if it was fake, because I didn't know anything about sneakers. I was like, these shoes don't have laces. So I was checking on them. I saw these YouTubers. I was like, okay, let me do something. Like I want to do something like that.
The moment that I think everyone kind of, first noticed you, this is sneaker YouTube goes, is when you brought Wiz Khalifa into your sneaker closet or room or whatever it was, and you had him say that he wouldn't wear the Kanye shoes.
I'm young. I don't care. Like I just like to have fun.
How old were you at the time?
I think 13 or 14. I knew it was gonna go viral. I was young. I didn't understand, but I knew it was gonna go crazy. I just uploaded the video. I remember when Complex posted it. I was young. I was like, oh my God, going to my father. So like it was crazy. Like that's my first hit video. Yeah, you can say that.
How many sneakers do you have in your collection?
You can say 550.
550 in 2 years?
Yeah.
What's the most you ever spent, like either on one pair of sneakers or like your biggest sneaker purchase?
Like the big ones I have in my collection were like gifted from me. Like I have the Grateful 3s. I have the Nicki Minaj Jordan 1.
The what?
Nicki Minaj. It's a sample. Yeah, only 6 in the world.
I don't even know what those are. What do those look like?
They're like pink. They are on the she wore it.
So she did the Jordan Brand classic.
You want to see that sneaker?
Yeah, so I have that. I have Paul Pogba. He was the most expensive soccer player. Yeah. Gave me game-worn shoes. Someone offered me 25.
Are they boots?
Yeah, like a game-worn shoe.
Yeah. But surely you spent money. You spent big money. I mean, I bet you spent a couple $1,000s on a pair of shoes before.
Yeah, I spent.
What's the most expensive sneaker that you've purchased?
I think the Red Octobers.
How much are those?
Like 4 to 5K, I think.
4 to 5K.
Yeah.
And have you spent a lot of money on a pair of sneakers and ended up with a pair of fakes ever?
No, I never fake.
This is a young kid, B.
Never fake.
Come on now.
Are you aiming for the Guinness Book of World Records? Are you in the Guinness Book of World Records for all this stuff?
Still. I'm just really focused in business, I just I'm not into like too much buying, but now I'm opening a sneaker store in Dubai with Fat Joe. He's my partner now. Yeah, we just did our thing. Now we're getting a location. We're gonna open it. It's gonna be the craziest sneaker shop in Dubai.
We see you hanging out with celebrities a lot. How does that happen? How do you link up with? We've seen you with Floyd Mayweather. We've seen you with Pusha T. You're friends with Fat Joe apparently. How does this happen?
Like some of the agents who booked them, they're like, Rosh, they want to come. They're asking about you. Like, okay, if I'm free, like they can come.
If you're free.
Yeah.
It's not whether they have time. Wow. It's whether or not you have clear time on your schedule.
I have some stuff to do. Like I have to do my stuff,
Yeah. We've seen you with a Supreme wrapped car. We've seen you with a car that looks like a Yeezy. Yeah. Explain this to me. Maybe I'm just too old. Maybe I'm just too poor. But I don't understand this. I don't understand this at all. Yeah.
So the Yeezy, like the LV Supreme, I was in France and I was thinking about the idea, like a hit video. It's all about the hit if you want to do a YouTube channel, So I did I was thinking. I was in the jacuzzi. I was just in the jacuzzi. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so bored. In France, I just chill, okay?
How did you come up with this concept?
Just thought about it.
I'm gonna wrap my vehicle.
I just sent it to my friend's company.
Yeah.
Do a 3D print, and he did it, and I did it.
I wanna ask. Can you drive a car?
No, I know.
But it's just to have the car.
No, I know how to drive, but I can't drive. Dubai is strict. In the desert, if I take you to the desert.
Okay.
There's always a lot of controversy that we see about kids your age, young, getting startup money from their family and getting in that way. And they say, that, he's not a real sneakerhead and he's just here because his mommy and daddy have a lot of money. What do you say about that?
See, you cannot blame anybody who's a kid who's rich. That's why I see a lot also in sneaker YouTubers. You cannot just blame them. Like, they grow up, like the family worked hard. Like, my father, I remember him, he don't have, nothing. I remember also when he married my mom, his ring was worth maybe $200.
Got you.
Yeah,
From humble beginnings.
yeah, from that starting from zero, just he was building his contacts. It's all about contacts.
Yeah.
And he did his own thing. And
So you can't blame. So you're saying don't blame you
Yeah.
for your dad
yeah,
hustling to get you
yeah,
where you're at.
like you know, he worked hard for us. Like he always told me, like, see Rashid, don't like depend on me. But I did my own thing, and I'm happy, you know.
Yeah. And what does your dad do?
My father, so my father's a businessman. He has over 30 companies in real estate and lots.
I read online that
Yeah.
he's a billionaire. Can you confirm that?
My father, he never tells me anything. Like I tell him.
You should Google him, because
Google your dad.
Google. I always see my worth 10 billion. Rashid's worth.
you're not worth 20 billion. That's the only reason we brought you in here today.
So what is next for Money Kicks? You said that you're opening a store
Yeah.
in Dubai with Fat Joe, right?
I'm doing my clothing, King's Ambition K1.
This is you?
Yeah,
Awesome, nice
me and
to
my
meet
brother. We just finished our collection. We're gonna do a big fashion show in Dubai.
Damn.
Yeah, so.
How old are you again?
15.
Wow. Okay. That's crazy.
Are you expecting to have your own sneaker collaboration someday, or?
I wish, inshallah, one day. I
All
wish.
right.
Yeah.
With who and what sneaker?
I love Jordan. I like Jordans.
You said earlier that you were, Khaled sent you the Grateful Threes. Are
Yeah.
you guys friends, or?
Yeah,
do you
I went
talk?
to his house.
Yeah?
I did a video. That was my most viewed
Who's got a better
video.
house?
Who has a better,
who
who has a better lion, you or DJ Khaled?
we have the real one there.
Made up shit.
Yeah, we have the real one there.
My man, I wish
Thanks
you
so
the
much.
best of luck.
Wish you all the best,
You
guys.
just blew my mind.
And I wish
Thank
all
you
the
so
best.
much for coming
Stay
by.
warm here in New York. I'm Rich Mays Lopez.
I'm Brendan Dunn from Soul Collector.
I'm Matt Welty, editor of Complex Sneakers.
Till next time, y'all, with the king, Money Kicks.
Yeah, thank you.
Peace.